Are you tired of brittle, fragile, and lifeless nails? Want to discover a treatment that really works and can transform your nails? In this video, I'm going to show you 5 reasons why ProNail Complex is the best choice for strong, healthy, and beautiful nails. Let's get started. The first reason to choose ProNail Complex is its advanced, scientifically developed formula. With powerful ingredients like biotin, keratin, and vitamin E, this treatment penetrates deep into the nails, strengthening them from within. This unique combination helps repair damaged nails, promoting healthy and long-lasting growth. ProNail Complex delivers visible results in just a few weeks. Unlike other products that overpromise and underdeliver, this treatment begins to show significant improvements in the texture, strength, and appearance of your nails in no time. Many users report stronger and less brittle nails within the first few weeks of use. Another standout feature of ProNail Complex is its ease of use. This treatment is simple to incorporate into your daily routine. Just apply a small amount to clean nails and gently massage it in. No special equipment or complicated processes are required. This way, you can care for your nails practically and effectively without interrupting your daily activities. Whether you have thin, thick, brittle, or healthy nails, ProNail Complex is suitable for all nail types. Its versatile formula is designed to meet different needs, from weakened nails to those that just need maintenance. This means that anyone can benefit from this treatment, regardless of the current state of their nails. Finally, ProNail Complex has a legion of satisfied users who confirm the product's effectiveness. The positive reviews and testimonials from people who have transformed the health of their nails with this treatment are proof that it really works. These inspiring stories show how ProNail Complex can make a difference in your life too. So, those were the 5 reasons why ProNail Complex is the best choice for your nails. If you're ready to say goodbye to brittle and weak nails and want strong, healthy nails, ProNail Complex is the ideal treatment for you. The link to purchase the product is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.